ready to start your road test.
Okay.
Yeah. Not yet. We'll just go to the fake road test at the Rexall Center. I use that for my fake road test center.
Okay.
Because we're not allowed to start at the actual one, so
Oh no?
they don't want us in there during business hours.
Just in case other people are doing it?
Yeah. Left turn here. Where that red car is pulling out there, that's the driveway. Rexall. Now right turn. And we're going to back it up beside the Jeep. Into the space beside the Jeep. And if you stay a little further away from the bumpers, you'll find it easier.
Easier?
Yeah.